Hey there, I'm here to show you how to log in to ABCya, which is a great resource for reading and for math. All right, so we're going to go up to our search browser and we're going to type in abcya.com and we're going to go enter. It's going to bring us straight into the main page. You do not need to log in for this unless you would like to create an account, but it is totally free either way. All right, next step is go into grade 1 so that we can practice these grade 1 skills. And then it's going to depend on whatever skill you're learning that week. So if you want to go in just for extra practice, I know students start to get games that they really enjoy. So you can just kind of scroll through and they can look to see what they'd like to do. But you can also make it a really specific skill too. So you've got letters, or you can go into skilled games. So there's lots of fun things. And I will also be posting for you guys to be playing specific games that relate to our learning activities for that week. Okay, so ABCYA is super simple. I'm really excited to use it this year.